Hello. Today we will be making hot dogs. First we will need this is for the sausage. And this is for the bread. So now we will be working on the bread first. So I'll add the milk. And add the brown sugar. And add some yeast in here. And now we mix it up. Mix it up until they're all liquid, they all dissolve. So now we add 1 teaspoon of salt into the flour. Like my habit. Now we mix this up. Mix them both up. Now we pour it in. There. So now we add the powdered milk. So now I'm mixing it up. Now we use our hands. This is like clay dough. So, the more you mix it, the less sticky you'll get. You take the dough and put it on the surface. It's not mixed. So now we will knead the dough so it's not sticky anymore. It's not sticky anymore. You can now add your 30 grams of unsalted butter. Don't let them escape. Just keep them inside of there. Start mixing it up. Oh no, he's stopping this thing from sticky. Okay, I trapped him inside. Now the Mr. Butter cannot escape. Push. Cord. And scrape them up like that. Clean it up. It's easier using this one. Way easier. I'm gonna have a lot of muscles after this. Press and push it out with that. Press and push. It's not sticky anymore. See? Huh, look at that. Okay. Nào, bây giờ xong cuộn nó lên như vậy đó. Here we have, wait till it grows. into a big hot dog. Now I am gonna put it in the oven so we can wait. Place in the oven. So now we wait until it doubles in size. While we wait till the hot dog is done growing, we should go work on the sauce. Now first we need to cut the onion in half. We want to take the half of this giant onion, boy. Oh, this dude is really hard. I'm gonna take this piece and start cutting. To cut it to small pieces, very small. Playing a violin. Just cut all these until they're small. I'm so sorry. Just chop, 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 chop. I'm gonna put this tomato in there. I mean, we're gonna cut the sausage. So now we'll start cooking. Put the oil in. First, we need to put the oil in. Now add the onions that we cut earlier in. I need my mask. I don't want the oil to get in my eyes. So very hot. Yellow, you can see. Oops. That's yellow. Now we can add our tomatoes that we cut earlier. Yeah, it's gonna sizzle like that. Now mix it again. Now we add 1 teaspoon of broth powder. And sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Just spread it out. Half a teaspoon of salt. And add a little bit of pepper. I just stir it up until it's soft, you can see. So it's soft like this. Now we can add our sausage. Add it in. I put a little bit of ketchup so it has the color and the taste. Okay, now it's done. Turn off the heat. Let it cool down. Now we'll start baking the bread from earlier. Now it already grew. It grew double in size. You can see what? It grew double in size. To 190. There. Egg with 1 tablespoon milk. 1 egg. Now I'm gonna spread it on the top so it looks shiny. Spread seasoning on the top. Now the oven already warmed up and we are done. And now we will put it in the oven. So now we're gonna bake for 18 minutes. And we'll be back in 18 minutes. Now it's already done. It's already been 18 minutes. So we're gonna get it out. There we go. You can see it's very soft. Now we put the sauce in. Watch me. Yeah. Put it in the bread. Push it out. Wow, this is very cool, tasty. Now I'm gonna take a bite. It's awesome. It's soft and it's so good. I like soft bread. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh, it's still recording? Hi.